Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and yeah, okay, I have another unboxing. And so yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. And the box says the Christie cookie, but it is not cookie. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. Alright, I'll open it up from the bottom side just because the other side has more plastic on it. Okay, so this is an item I have been on the search for forever. And the only ones I've ever had been able to find were, you know, really expensive, and this one finally showed up. Oh wow, the seller even included a bag and a box. Okay, and then there's something else in here, but let me tell you the story. So wait a minute. Okay, so I don't know what's in this box. I don't know if she just included it, but because the item that I'm interested in is in this bag right here. It's a luggage tag. Okay, so if you guys know me, I love my luggage tags and I collect them. I have never sold one of my luggage tags. I just collect them. But so I've been on the hunt for this particular one for the longest time, but they've always been so overpriced, it's ridiculous. And the thing with this tag is that I think they are only available to people who purchased the bag that went with it. And the bag came from the icons like Karl Lagerfeld, Christian Louboutin. There's other designers that they had included in this collaboration, but yeah, that was the only way I think you're able to get this tag, not unless you had a sales associate that was willing to, you know, get you one. But let me show you guys. So I'll take this out of the plastic bag. This is amazing. Okay, so this is not the item that I am interested in. It is the dust bag that originally came with this tag, and I see the tag right here, and it's huge. Let me just go ahead and flip it over. But there you go. So this is the dust bag that came with the Karl Lagerfeld. You can see his initials KL. His bag, and I know several people here on Instagram and YouTube have it. And so when I saw this on eBay, it was destiny, because not only was it what I was looking for, it's also in brand new condition. It's in such pristine condition, but it was also not that expensive compared to the other ones that I have been seeing. Oh, and also I was also able to use a eBay coupon to be able to bring this price even, you know, even lower. So yeah, this is amazing. Let me just show you guys. So let me take this tag off of this bag. So I do plan on using this bag as well, because it is from the Karl Lagerfeld bag. I thought I would be able to use it on or for one of my vintage Chanel jumbos. I think it would work just fine. This is being annoying. Get in there. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is being very annoying, because I usually don't put my tags like that. So let me adjust this really quickly. And I also have a couple other tags here that I wanted to show you to be able to compare with this tag. Look how big it is. It's almost as big as my head. Okay, so again, let me just show you this dust bag, and it is a very nicely made dust bag. It is sort of like in a olive green color, and look, there are leather corners on the corners of this dust bag. And this is such a nice heavy fabric compared to the dust bags that other LV items come in. That's just really cool. And here are the other tags I wanted to show you guys. So this is a regular sized luggage tag, and you can see how much more big this one is. And then here is a tiny little luggage tag that my essay was able to get me as well. You can see the different sizes. They're so cute. But yeah, let me see what is. So the seller also gave me a shopping bag, which is really nice of her. But I'm not sure what this is. It might be just an empty box. And yeah, it is an empty box for me to store this tag in, which it sort of fits if I were to bend or take off the leather strap. But yeah, I'm so excited that I was able to find this. Now the problem that I have been seeing with like the canvas luggage tags, you can see here for this one in particular. So I have been using this one on as a bag charm, but you can see that the corners here, or the edges rather, are starting to curl, and I don't know if that's because of the heat or the humidity, or just, you know, being rubbed up against anything, but it's just starting to curl up, which is unfortunate. But look at this thing. This is like nice and flat. So here, let me show you between these two. Can you see? I block my eyes a little bit. Anyways, this little part is starting to curl up and not be as flat, whereas this one, oh my goodness, it is like nice and flat. And this one does not even have any flaps or anything. So this one originally came with this canvas piece right here, and I think I will, if I ever decide to use this one, I'll go ahead and use this on this item as well. Yeah, this is really cool. I also have the key bell, the clochette, that, you know, that is able to hold keys in the monogram canvas as well, and I use that as a charm on one of my other bags, which is a really cool, you know, versatile thing that you guys can do. So yeah, let me just look at, so okay, so this does not have a paper piece in there, but this one does. You guys can see. So yeah, I'm just really excited. Could you guys tell? And this one has, this is the small one again. This one has the metal LV, if this will focus. You guys can see. And there is a paper piece in here as well. But yeah, that does it for this video. Oh, and this is really cool too. I just keep on finding different things. So this has a metal D-ring on the bag itself. And yeah, this is such a pretty bag. I'm just excited to be able to have finally found it and cross it off my list of things that I am looking for. But yeah, so that does it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you have any comments, questions, anything like that, please leave them down below, and make sure to give me a thumbs up. And until next time, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.